In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can create a sticker from your Instagram photos. Creating Instagram stickers is essential for enhancing brand awareness, engagement, and user interaction. Custom stickers featuring brand logos, colors, or unique designs can increase recognition and visibility. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. Let's say you want to create a sticker out of this photo. Simply tap on these three dots. You will then select on this option of Create a Cutout Sticker. Wait for it to load. Your sticker will get created successfully. You can tap on Select manually to only cut out one image at a time. Tap on Save Sticker for your newly created sticker to get saved in your sticker collection. That's how easy it is to create stickers from Instagram photos. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.